Hey, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can keep this Google Lens scanner for instant visual search or instant translation. Because when I tap on this will immediately open this visual search and this translate option at the same time. So how you can keep? Let me just quickly remove this. And first of all, you need to have Google app installed on your mobile. Okay, I'm assuming most of the mobiles will be having this Google app pre-installed. Okay, you need to press and hold on your home screen on the empty space for a few seconds. You will see this widgets option, and here you need to search for Google here. Where is this? Yeah, here is the Google, and the Google search bar itself you can put on the home screen, so that this includes Google Lens. Say for example, I have a QR code on my laptop. See here, I'll be scanning this. So when I click on this will open that QR code for QR code scanning. Or say for example, there is a online product. Maybe I can use that image for the product search, right? Sorry, I'll be going back. Maybe I can just use it for the product search, so that I can get the products by clicking on the products here, and I can go to the Amazon link. See here, Amazon or some other Flipkart or some other, right? So for various purpose this Google Lens scanning will be used. So I kept it on the home screen. With one tap now I can be able to access this Google Lens. So if you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. And see here, I kept this Chat GPT and Google Gemini one tap AI assistant widgets on the home screen. If you want that video, please do find it in the description. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.